everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix cannot send audio messages at this time error on iPhone. The cannot send audio messages at this time error messages can occur for various reasons, including an incorrect iMessage, phone number, use of sound recognition feature and more. You can only send audio messages through the messages app on your iPhone to other users registered on iMessages. If you are texting someone who doesn't own an iPhone or whose number is not registered with iMessages, the messages won't be delivered. In this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check iMessage network status. Begin by checking iMessage network status. Error message may appear if the message network is experiencing issues preventing audio messages from being sent. Visit Apple's official system status website to check the status of its services. Distinguishable by colors, a non-green iMessage status suggests that there are ongoing issues. If iMessages is indeed down, you will need to wait until Apple's teams to resolve the outage before you can successfully use audio message again. And you are done. And the next step is check iMessage phone number. An incorrect phone number associated with iMessage can also prompt the error message, particularly if you have changed your number and iMessage is still configured to use the old one. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and go to the Messages app. Next, in the messages settings, tap on send and receive. Make sure the correct phone number is checked. If this was the issue, your audio messages should now be able to send successfully and you are done. And the next step is disable sound recognition. Sound recognition can interfere with the functionality of sending or recording voice messages as it actively listens for certain sounds, hindering other audio processes. For this, launch the settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and go to accessibility. Next, under the hearing section, select sound recognition and then turning off sound recognition and you are done. And the next step is restart iMessage. If iMessage is not functioning correctly, restarting the service can sometimes resolve this issue by establishing a new connection. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and go to Messages app. Select the iMessage toggle to turn it off and then reactive iMessage afterwards. Check if the problem is resolved and you are done. And the next step is update iOS. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General and then tap on Software Update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on Update Now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is reset iPhone. In none of these solutions work. Resetting your iPhone to factory settings may resolve the issue by eliminating any underlying software problems. Remember to back up your important data before resetting, as it will erase all content on your device. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Next, tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and then tap on Reset All Settings. It may ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all settings on your iPhone. And for a factory reset, choose Erase All Content and Settings and then tap on Continue to confirm and then tap on again Erase iPhone and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of cannot send audio messages at this time error on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.